Thank you for buying this 100706 t-shirt folder from Fixtured Displays. This is a nice tool to help you organize your laundry and your closet. The measurement of a single piece is about 8.6 inches wide and 11 inches tall. This comes in unassembled. Assembling this unit is really straightforward once you know how it works. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. So it comes in 3 components like that. You want to lay it down to look like these. Make sure the square holes are at the bottom, and you simply slide it into the brackets just like that. Slide in and then pull to extend, and do the same for the right hand side. Then you are in business. This works great for t-shirts, regular shirts, anything that you like to fold into a nice professional looking square. This will work, and we're going to demonstrate it very shortly. The material is extremely flexible in that you can fold many times and it will still not break. The material is polypropylene, has an excellent folding property, so you can use that for a long time without breaking it. So this is how you do it. 3 folds and you are done. And this will allow you to have your laundry organized in a really professional manner. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Like us, follow us, and remember to leave a good seller feedback and product review. Thank you.